Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Framer by creating a responsive project and immediately setting key breakpoints for phone, tablet, and desktop. You use auto layout and stacks so elements flow without constant manual tweaks. Once done, import SVGs and set image fill behavior so assets scale cleanly. This reduces raster issues. Make sure to convert repeated sections into components early to keep changes global and fast, and assign percentage widths and max width constraints instead of fixed pixel sizes. Next, you construct the heart of your responsive site by using grids and fractional columns so content reflows predictably. You set constraints on every component, left-right, center, or scale, with sensible min and max width so nothing collapses at smaller sizes. Once components behave, create variants for different states and attach responsive properties so a single component adapts across breakpoints. Make sure to preview at each breakpoint frequently. This reveals layout shifts and lets you fix overflow or stacking issues early. Finally, you polish and test. Preview every breakpoint and run real device checks to catch touch and viewport quirks. You optimize by compressing images, lazy loading heavy sections, and simplifying animations to keep interactions smooth. Once complete, export or publish from Framer and verify links and SEO metadata. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect constraints and remove any fixed-width elements. Then reapply auto layout or stack rules to restore fluid behavior and eliminate
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.